Good morning, friend. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the fire. What is fire? You know that fire is a important topic nowadays. You know that there are many of construction, many of industrial sectors. Fire happen due to negligence, due to some reasons. Also, hotels, factory and residential area, and villages and forest. There are many cases comes in summer seasons for fire. So, guys, fire is a very important and very sensitive case because of that each and every years many people die due to fires and scaffoldations and suffocations and due to some reasons. So, guys, this is an important topic as a safety professionals and which are working in industry and constructions hotel sectors. So you know that what is the fire. Fire is a chemical reactions, heat and fuel and oxygens, that all are chain reactions that call fire. If three elements reactions that call fire and fire happen. So guys, this is a fire due to chemical reactions. How to fire we can extinguish. So guys, first fuel and heat and oxygen. So fuel we can remove the starvations, that called starvation matlab starving. Fire example isolated the oxygens. If you know that fire happen, then you can go out and kick out immediately a blanket, cover the fire by blanket. So there is starving means there is oxygen levels, oxygens are isolated, that automatically fire will be extinguished. After that some is cooling. If you are going to heat, suppose the chain reaction is there, then happen fire. If heating, we can do the cooling by the by the heat, example by the use of water and fire extinguishers, foam fire extinguishers. That may be foam fire extinguishers also is cooling. Then we can remove the heat and also fire will be extinguished. After that, oxygens. After that, you know that oxygens, fuel starvations. Fuel. If you are going to remove fuel, then starvations and oxygen. How smothering. Smothering means limited of oxygen supply by using the carbon dioxide and foam extinguishers, and also will be oxygens will be removed, then fire automatically will be extinguished. So guys, this is a part of fire chain reaction on how to extinguish both three elements, how to remove from the fire, and fire automatically extinguished. Fire extinguished. So guys, you know that how many types of fire already three, A, B, C, D, F and electrical fire specific identifications for the fire. First we will discuss about the fire A, class of fire A. Classifications of fire. Fire means wooden papers. If fires happens, that call A type of fire. B type of fire means oil, chemical, oil and petrols, that all are considered about the P type of fire. C type of fire gases, HP, LP gases and HP gases, acetylene gas, that all are considered in fire. Right? C types of fire. D type of fires also chemicals like the magnesiums and magnesiums and other things will chemicals also that call ABC. D type of fire. F type of oil kitchens fires. If you have cooking the food, then going to some vegetables on fry your oil, then maybe fat of means there may be happen of fire that called all F type of fire. And specific electrical fires is different, and that all are considered about these things. Type of fire. So guys, you know that fire in nowadays, you know that there is many organizations and many different locations, states. You know that if you are watching, if you are reading the Times of India and Time newspaper, then daily basis happen fire at industry project and residential and commercial building due to some negligence, and maybe many people die due to fire. You know that every year fire happens some hospitals. There is also seven patient will be die due to fire short circuit. You know that in Gujarat also happen fire in schools which are going to whenever students engage in class as study, that times fire happen and 2-3 people's very robust condition is died due to lack of negligence, lack of awareness, lack of emergency exit. So guys, these all are considered about these things. If you have working a safety construction project, also you know that. So how to source of ignitions of hazard, ignitions of fire. So guys, you know that if you have storage combustibles materials like paper, wooden, out there is combustibles materials storage in that front of electrical panels, and electrical panel maybe short circuit, then maybe inflammable materials automatics will be burn and fire happen. So that this is a very important. First, discard is flammable material. Second thing, you know, the discard of smoking cigarette. Some people going to walking on smoking cigarette, that may be discard after the complete of cigarette. They throw on some places without any awareness of fire, throw, and maybe discard of cigarette, maybe ignitions of fire. That all this is a major on this is a very good bad negligence, but 80%, 50% fire happen due to that type of negligence, discard of smokers cigarette, bidi, other thing. Second thing is there mentions naked flammables wire. You know that if you have see that and watch that in TV and video, you know that I heard some news. There is first is secret discard of bidi, that call in that maybe happen of fire. Second thing, electrical short circuit. If you are using the naked wire, if you are using the some damaged material for electricity, there may be happen of fire by short circuit. So this is also importance, and many places fire happen due to negligence of electricity and due to negligence of discard of cigarette. third is their main point of hot process example. A hot process of work in any business factory. You know that some working of like barut factory. You know that there is many productions of pataka. That all are maybe there is many chance of happen fire, and also some people, some persons will be die. You know that even 2-3 months before one pataka factory happened fire, and there is 3 people's death during the making of ignitions of fire at the factory. So there is 2-3 things is measures part. If you have aware about these things, if happen of fires in case of factory and any industry, that all that may be chance of that types of work. Second thing, hot process. You know that welding, cutting, and grinding work. You know that in constructions industry, at many cases observed that and investigations. Also, I am a safety professional. You know that times in our duty period, our working period, many cases happen about a fire due to hot work process, means welding work. Some people working on the height of buildings, 9th floor, 10th floor, 21 floors. There is happen fire, or maybe chance of fire sprinkle, fire spatters comes to fall from a height, and maybe there is some combustible materials fire happen. Because of there is also hexacloth is used for water sprinkling purpose of, and that time should not remove, and fire happen. This is a major part of welding work and gas cutting and hot work, like the grinding and drilling, grinding work. That may be chance of fire. Fourth thing is there. Seventh is flammable materials liquid. You know that storage of diesel, storage of petrols, chemicals. That area also a chance of fire due to some people discarded the cigarette and discarded the bidi and other things. Maybe heat, maybe diesel and petrols storage on open sky area. That may be chance of fire happen. So acetylene gas, also maybe blast of acetylene gas and HP gas due to open space storage. That is all are considered about the fire ignitions due to that type of negligence, that and workers negligence, staff negligence. So guys, how to we can improve that and reduce of fire at the workplace. So guys, first we should think about the proper training given to all workers and staffs, and each and every time awareness given to all employees. And employers also should be responsible for some license of fire. In case of any fire happen, that may be chance of in case of extinguish fire, and some liability of fire at the workplace. The second thing, you know that it's celebrations of maybe Deepavali. There is many of pataka fires. That maybe one ignitions of fire. So guys, these all are things due to fire happen at workplace and any industry. Then we have discussed about the how to preventive measure of fire. So guys, first we think you have to storage any combustible materials one place. There is maybe proper cover and in that area nothing any hot work like the welding, gas cutting work, and there is some safety poster should be display for more awareness of worker, more awareness of people which are going to hot work in that area. Second thing, you have to storage the diesel and petrols. There may be 6 meters area, nothing any hot work process may be happen, nothing. There is some safety poster display, no smoking zone, a highly flammable material storage area. So guys, and each and every workers and staffs more and more trainings given about the fire. In case of any fire happen, then explain all what is root cause of fire happen at workplace, and more awareness given to all workers and staffs. If you are going to use of welding machines, use of gas cutting machine, then first you should do inspections about the what is the chance of fire and what is the risk. So first we should all safety measures should be taken, so like the fire blanket in that area. Some flammable material should be removed, and proper storage of flammable materials, proper storage of chemicals, separate storage chemicals, and which are highly flammable material, that all are considered, and proper storage as per Explosive Act. There is also mentioned that in part of each and every fire extinguisher hygienic flammable material, how to storage, how to handling some chemicals using by workers, proper training of welder, license, everything and competency of worker which are going to hot work, gas work, cutting work, and everything maybe happen. So guys, that all are considered maybe reduce of fire in case of your at workplace.